What you can make in a rice cooker episode 2. Today I'm gonna make pork with mustard greens my way. First, let's take out some oil from the pork fats and saute our onion, jeera and ginger garlic in that oil. Pork goes in, you can add water to avoid burning. Add some samaroy or culantro for that extra flavor. Add your machel masala, salt to taste, chili powder and turmeric powder and give it a good stir. Now let's add some water and let it cover it and let it cook for around 45 to 50 minutes according to your preferred pork tenderness. Now you can add in your mustard greens and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. This combo is perfect for winter. Have you ever tried? If you haven't, you must. Let's make chutney. Crush your garlic, add in your steamed ngari, red chili, tomato, and make a paste.